And today we're looking at a Casablanca Ventura ceiling fan. If I pronounce that right, Ventura. Basically about a year ago, a little over a year ago, I think, I found 3 of these on Facebook Marketplace. And I technically, if this is the word you want to use, did like a makeover type thing on this fan. No, I did not do any of that crazy stupid paint stuff. What I mean is that little down rod up there had a stupid white thing attached to it that some of these Casablanca fans have. It was like 6 inches, so it kind of served no purpose, just to make it look ugly. So I removed that. That looks a lot nicer. And it had 5 blades, which does not look right on a Ventura in my opinion. And then it had an ugly K1, absolutely horrible schoolhouse looking thing. In fact, let me go put a picture of it on the screen right now, what it looked like before. Yeah, so that was quite unsightly. So now it has 4 blades. It's got no stupid white thing on a down rod, and it's got a nice K4S now with these absolutely gorgeous shades. In my opinion, they're absolutely gorgeous. Here's the light. I'm not really going to go too crazy with demo mode right now. In fact, let me just do that. Kind of in a rush right now, so I don't know, I just figured I'd do demo mode here. I might want to find a permanent installation spot for this. This is absolutely gorgeous in my opinion. I was not expecting it to come out this nice. I'm not sure how well you can see that, but it is from 1989. And you can see it actually stops like perfectly, which is unusual. And this is it uses a W12 actually. There it is. W12. I'm gonna leave the light on. Actually, no, I'm not. We actually got enough light coming in here for once. I'll use it while I can. There's the light, and here's speed 1. Let me make the light go from dimmest to brightest. See, I don't know if the IntelliTouch control kind of like arcs whenever I hit the light. Speed 2 here. Yeah, I don't know why. Whenever I hit the light, the control makes like a pretty good arc inside of it. I don't know what the story is with that. I'll have to look into it. But even though this fan is from 1989, the flywheel is very good. Very flexible. It's honestly like brand new. You would never guess it was from 89. So no 1989 flywheel disease for this fan. Speed 3. all three of these fans, when I got them, amazingly, they all had good bearings. So they were lightly used in that case. And a real quick speed 4. The reason I'm kind of like rushing is because I have a ton of fans in line that have to be hung and tested. So I'm just kind of trying to like knock it out as much as I can right now. Five. I just shut the closet door because there was a bag in there wrinkling when his fan was blowing air. 6 here. There it is running with the light at full intensity. And this is going to be spin down. Like I said, I hope to get a permanent installation spot for this fan sometime soon, because it looks absolutely amazing in my opinion. Now the bearings make a tiny bit of noise, like a hissing, kind of like a dry noise. They still got a lot of life in them though. Like in no way are they bad or anything, but you can hear them if you listen closely when it runs on a higher speed. This does use a K55, which is my favorite type of motor, aside from K63 of course. Quite a long spin down, as you can see. Alright, I just got interrupted last second. But that's all I have to say, and that's all I have for this fan. And yeah, that's all.